light bug colours. What's up everyone, we are back in the unit again, and I've got some friends with me today because we're not only going to be doing a few jobs on the M3 which I've ordered some parts for, but we're doing pizzas with Defty. So
Pizza by Defty
and Camp again. So we've got the pizza oven on, and we've got the coffee on, and we've got the car parts. So there's a few bits. Some of it's not that interesting, but some of it's okay. These are just posts which clip the front bumper into the Kevlar crash bar. Unfortunately, the last time my car was painted, the paint shop broke them, and it was sort of poorly refitted, which was a bit annoying, but that's the kind of luck that I have with paint shops. There is a headlight level sensor which had snapped off, I noticed recently. We're probably going to leave this one for today. That's when I tackle the rear end. And front control arm, I mentioned it in a previous video, one of the bushes was split and they're not replaceable, so it's a full arm job, unfortunately. So we'll get the car lifted up and start pulling things apart, and Cam's brought his favourite steam cleaner, so I think we'll get busy with that.
The only steam cleaner.
Yeah.
There is only one Steamy Nix.
Steamy Nix. Here it is. Majestic beast. So far we've drank coffee, ate pizza, and I'm now driving Defty's 3-door Discovery. So we've actually made zero progress on my car, and I think this might be dangerous because I kind of want one. It's as terrible as it is. What do you reckon?
It is a pretty terrible idea.
Yeah. I kind of see the appeal in a car like this that you can literally just not care about.
Because it's not yours.
Well, yeah, that's part of it, but you can just drive up like bug curves, just go off-roading and stuff. I think it'd make a good like everyday car and parts hauler kind of thing, because I do kind of care about the M3 a bit too much, using it every day, so I'm seeing the appeal in it.
So it could be car number 4.
See, I need to stop. I need to not own another car though. That's the problem. Yeah, we'll think about it. The 3-door range would be nice, I think.
Probably be nicer than this.
Well, similar age, isn't it? It's probably a pretty similar car, I imagine.
Would you not find yourself enjoying it too much though?
Probably, yeah.
And then being precious about it.
And it'd end up getting took apart because it's rotten, like everything else I own. I knocked the camera off a little bit because I left it running, and it's basically used all the battery and memory, so I've had to delete some stuff. New control arm is done, all boxed up. So I'm not sure how well you can see this, but this linkage here had snapped off, and I've replaced the sensor as well, so it's nothing like major interesting, but Cam has been super busy cleaning my wheels up. Annoyingly, that they'd got quite badly stained from brake dust and stuff over the winter, and I'd literally been cleaning them every week, but it just would not come off. Cam was convinced that he could get it off, seeing as he's the new Larry Casilla, but surprisingly he actually hasn't. They've come up pretty nice. He's also been busy degreasing and steam cleaning the plastics, and gave this a quick clean up again, just to get rid of the winter like grime and road salt and stuff. There was a little bit of oil down there, but it was stuff that I'd spilt when I'd done the oil change, so I've just literally like steam cleaned the sump and everything, cleaned it all up, and it just makes it easier to spot any leaks and stuff if they do occur. We have success. Things have gone surprisingly well, considering how much time we spent cooking pizzas and making coffee and messing about, like cleaning stuff. I think we've spent more time cleaning than actual doing jobs, but the front bumper clips are replaced and the front arm's been changed, and my headlight level sensors, so that's everything from the front end that I wanted to do. So I would like to sort of pull subframes off and get everything powder coated and stuff, but they're not terrible, to be honest, and most of it, like obviously it's all covered by the aluminium and the under trace and stuff, but my mind goes places where I just start thinking about it, and yeah, it's one of them things. But the rear end, I've got a handbrake to attend to with that dust shield. I've got an ABS sensor to fix, and rebuild the brakes, yeah, because my brake calipers could do with rebuild, so I'm going to do that too. Cam's been a big help today, so thanks, Cam.
No worries.
We've got some jobs left to do on your car, I think, haven't we?
Yeah, well, I had stuff that I was supposed to bring with us so we could sort out a few bits and pieces on my car, but I got halfway here and realised that I left the bag of stuff at home, so I can't remember what it was. I think it was the same bumper clips as yours at the front.
Yeah, we need those.
It was to do, I've got those arch liners to fit.
Yeah, from the other end.
I've got the actuator for the headlight because it had snapped.
Yeah.
I've got the Chabosh.
The Chabosh.
Chabosh
headlight lenses,
covers.
Yeah.
What else was this? I think that was about it. I think a lot of it was just like clips and things that were
just
rotten.
little bits in
it. Yeah.
So he's put an order in with Joy for some bits, and we're just gonna go through. If you've already like when I put this out, you will have already seen the other videos of Cam's car, so we'll just get working through, like doing stuff one by one, and yeah, we'll attack that next time, I think, won't we?
I need to get a under tray as well.
Yeah, some under trays.
Yeah.
So it's all just little bits, really, isn't it? And I've had some good news about the E30, so there's going to be some progress with that soon too. So thanks for watching, and we'll hopefully see you soon.